Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Scott Campbell and I'm here to teach you how to paint windows. Anyway, to date I have 900 videos and they're pretty much all about window painting. There might be some about some other goofy stuff I'm up to, but the majority of them are about window painting and the tools, the paint, the procedures, even stuff on how to get jobs and other miscellaneous things. And what you can do is you can just start watching the videos, or you can jump around, or if you have a specific question or things you want to know about, there's a couple ways to go about doing that. Actually, it's really simple, and I'm going to show you here. This is my channel, okay, and there's this little bar here with different things across the top. And you just go to the little icon here, search icon. This comes up, and you can type in stuff like paint or whatever right there, and then just press enter. Okay, and then after that, all these different videos I have that have to do with paint, which I have a lot, of course, will come up. It's pretty simple. Otherwise, just watch them all because they're all really beneficial, and some people even say entertaining. But the other thing you can do too is, if you want to support me, there's an additional, I think to date, probably 100 videos or 100 posts that are only available on Patreon. And I'll put links in the description to Patreon too. And you can help this channel and keep it growing and help support me by becoming a Patreon member too. That's another thing you can do. And then I also have ebooks. I have free ebooks. My first ebook is an introductory book, and it's great for if you're just getting started. It goes into detail about all the materials and the procedure, how to get started, even where to buy the paint when you don't want to buy large amounts of paint, where you can get smaller containers of paint to get started. And like I said, the tools. So the ebook is, there'll be links in the description too. That introductory ebook is really good. I sell it for $15, and it's totally worth the money. Like, especially if you're just starting, it's a good investment, and it'll save you years of struggling with other stuff. Or again, you can watch all the videos too. But I suggest you get the ebook if you're just beginning and you're serious about a career in window painting, because it cuts to the chase. You get right in there and you get all the information you need quickly. So there's that first ebook, and then the second ebook and the third ebook are both sketchbooks. And what they are is each one has about 60 or 70 illustrations of, well, one of them is Halloween, so it's a Halloween sketchbook. So it has pictures and some of my favorite characters in just sketch form. And but you can copy them, you can use them for reference if you're going to do some Halloween splashes. And then the other one is my holiday sketchbook. And that one has a lot of stuff for Christmas and winter stuff. So check those out. Again, those are all available on Patreon. So if you do order them, you can just in the notes you can say I want the introductory sketchbook, or I want the introductory sketchbook and the holiday sketchbook, or I want all three of them. So I sell one. If you buy one, it's $15. If you get two books, it's $25, and if you get all three, it's $36. Hey guys, how's it going? I wanted to update you on what's happening. I have 4 ebooks now instead of 3, so you get 4 for $40, which drops the price to each book to $10. And you can order any combination of them. If you want to order 2 books, it's $25, 3 books, $36, 4 for $40, 1 book's $15. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that update, and also the news that I've got a new ebook coming out too, which is this the Spring Summer Sketchbook, and that's going to come out January 20th, 2021. And I'll probably have to update this again then, and instead of saying it's coming out, it'll or the way you can look at it is, if it's past 2021, I have 5 ebooks now. So I have the introductory book, and I'll have 4 additional sketchbooks. And I'm going to keep coming out with sketchbooks and other books too to help you with the window painting. So anyway, but once we hit the $10 mark, any books past 40 or 4 will be $10 each. So it's not going to like drop to nothing. So anyway, I hope that makes sense. And go ahead and watch the rest of the video. See ya. So the $36 one, it drops the price to each book individually $12. So there's that. So that's basically what the channel's all about. It's about teaching you window painting because I love that, and I love all the comments too. So be sure and subscribe, like the videos, and yeah, comment, because if you have questions, you can ask me in the comments section. All right, I appreciate your interest, and looking forward to seeing maybe some of your work too. All right, talk to you later. Bye. Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I finally finished my new ebook, book number 4. It's Scott Campbell's Back to School / Fall Sketchbook. And it's available for $15. Or there's a lot of other ways to get the book too. If you sign up for Patreon, the $10 a month tier, you get all the ebooks free. You get all 4 of them and any future ebooks too. Or you can buy them. If you buy 2 ebooks, you get them for $25, 3 for $36, and if you get all 4, you get them for $40. That's $10 a piece, $5 per book discount. So anyway, I'll make another video later, but I just wanted to get this up, get it out so people know about it. And basically, if you want to get the book, if you don't want to do the Patreon thing, but you want to get the book, just go to my PayPal, scottcampbell@comcast.net, say send money, send $15, and I'll send you the book. It's cool. It's really a good one. All right, talk to you later. Bye. I think I even confused myself after watching that. So let's do a quick review. Okay, I have my ebooks that are for sale, and I also have Patreon. Now, if you join Patreon for $10 a month, you get all past, present, and future ebooks free. Okay. And also on Patreon, you get a free original signed sketch every 3 months. So that's that. That's for the $10 top tier. You can also join Patreon for $5, and you don't get the ebooks free, and you don't get the free sketch, but you have access to over 160 videos on Patreon and any future videos. Okay, so that's Patreon. So then if you just want to buy the books, right now I have my intro book, which is $15. In fact, all the books are $15 if you buy one. So I have the intro book, I have the Halloween sketchbook, which came out first. And then I put out the Christmas sketchbook. And then the third one, the third sketchbook, but the 4th overall book, counting the intro book, is the Back to School one, which I just showed you. So I have the intro book and 3 ebooks. So if you get one, it's $15. You buy 2, it's $25, which drops the price to $12.50. If you buy 3, it's $36, and if you get all 4 books, it's $40. Now, in addition to that, I hope you're writing this down. There's going to be a test later. In addition to that, if you buy, in addition to that, I have the 5th book coming out, or a 4th sketchbook, and it's going to be the Spring Summer Sketchbook, which is going to be really cool. I'm working on it right now, and it'll be out January 20th, 2021. So I hope that's all straight and I didn't confuse you more than I needed to. And if you're still confused, you can email me at scottcampbell@comcast.net. Okay, I'm out of here.